What's up guys? It's JJ. So today guys, come with us to spend our boyfriend and girlfriend anniversary. And we will go to different churches and
the guy.
Hi guys, Adi smile.
Hi.
So guys, sobrang init, sobrang traffic. Today is our anniversary. So anong gagawin natin today, madam? Church muna. And then magpe-pray tayo.
And the guy.
Tagayray.
And then hotel.
And then hotel. Ang gagawin mo sa hotel?
Gonna swim doon.
Paano swimming?
And then gonna swim doon. Paano swimming doon?
Oh. Louder. Broccoli. Yay! And broccoli and bananas. Hi guys.
hello guys. Done na po kami sa St. Clair, sa Lolo Uwing, and sa St. Benedict. And we're on to our next destination, next churches, which will be on Tagaytay.
Hotel muna.
Hotel muna, no. We're going to church first, and then we're going to hotel, and then we're gonna swim in there. So ayun guys, we are now done with our Bisita Iglesia, and nagpunta kami sa St. Clair, sa Lolo Uweng Church, and sa St. Benedict, and for the last one, we went to the Pink Sister here in Tagaytay. And we are going to Hotel Kashana in Tagaytay. See you guys.
I ain't gotta think, but I think maybe I just swim. Wanna fall in all of your skin. Swim. I could spend a lifetime watching you swim. This is how it all begins. I just wanna dive.